What is Arkansas food? I'm Kat Robinson, and I've studied the cuisine of the natural state for more than a decade. My new book, Arkansas Food, The A to Z of Eating in the Natural State, is the culmination of that research, laid out in a handy glossary, including everything from apple butter to zucchini bread. Dive past the triumvirate of Arkansas's most sensational foods: cheese dip, fried pickles, and chocolate gravy. I delve into the nooks and crannies of every corner of the state. Discover the garden bounty of purple hull peas, watermelon, peaches, apples, butter beans, Esau sweet corn, yellow squash and Cushaw squash, and even Bradley County pink tomatoes. Celebrate Arkansas food brands with broad appeal such as Cavender's Greek Seasoning, Grapette Soda, Mountain Valley Water, and Petit Jean Smoked Meats. Taste the flavors of legendary restaurants, including Wayne Shadden's barbecue sauce, Coy's steakhouse salad dressing, Cotta Mercantile's fried green tomatoes, and the Venetian Inn's Italian salad. Learn about hunting duck and deer, why fried chicken and spaghetti are served together in the Ozarks, how to tell the difference between the two types of buffalo, and how to pronounce the word crappie. With more than 130 recipes, 450 full-color photographs, and over 300 topics, you'll be sure to crave what the natural state brings to the table. Order your copy of Arkansas Food, The A to Z of Eating in the Natural State today.